Are you ready to revolutionize your video marketing strategy in just minutes? Meet Pictory AI, the game-changing video creation tool designed for content marketers like you. With Pictory, you can transform your ideas into stunning videos that captivate your audience without the hassles of traditional video editing. Imagine having the power to turn a simple script into a professional quality video instantaneously. With Pictory's script-to-video creation feature, this is not just a dream, it's a reality. You simply input your script, and in moments, Pictory delivers a polished video complete with realistic AI voices, matching footage, and the perfect background music. It's as simple as a few clicks. But that's not all. Struggling to engage your audience with your blog posts? Say goodbye to bland text and hello to dynamic video content. Pictory automatically converts your blog posts into engaging videos, enhancing your SEO and significantly reducing bounce rates. With video content taking the front seat in digital marketing, this feature alone can transform your outreach strategy. For those long webinars or podcasts, Pictory has you covered. With its long-form video transformation tool, you can effortlessly extract highlights from your recordings on platforms like Zoom and Teams. Create short, branded video snippets ideal for social media sharing. It's a fantastic way to maximize reach and keep your audience engaged. One feature that truly sets Pictory apart is its automatic captioning. Adding captions to your videos not only increases accessibility, but also boosts reach and watch time. With many viewers watching videos on mute, captions ensure your message is never lost. And if you're working as part of a team, Pictory's Teams plan fosters seamless collaboration. Share assets, brainstorm ideas, and create together with colleagues and external partners, ensuring a more dynamic and efficient workflow. So, if you're ready to take your video marketing to the next level with Pictory AI, don't hesitate. Thank you for watching, and if you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Dive into the world of effortless video creation today with Pictory AI.